Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to my channel, or should I say welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video that I've ever made. So if you don't already know me, my name is Denis Lee. I'm from Malaysia. And if you don't know where is that, I'm from KL. You probably heard of KL. If you still don't know where is that, you've probably heard of the Twin Towers KLCC in Malaysia. That's the tallest building in our country. And if you still don't know, I'm basically from a country in this world in Southeast Asia. I'm 19 years old this year, and as you guys can see that my YouTube banner, it says Teenage Entrepreneur Entertainment. So this is actually my first video that I've actually mentioned earlier. So it's kind of hard to actually search for my channel. My name is Denis Lee and the channel is named after my name, Denis Lee. And if you actually search for Denis Lee, there is another channel which is right here. He's actually a Korean, Spanish, I think. He's been posting videos consistently 7 years ago, and I don't know where he went, but from today onwards, it's my time to take on the Denis Lee's legacy. Now I know most of you actually have this question in their minds saying, what's this 19-year-old guy doing right here saying that he's an entrepreneur, or like he knows something that he actually don't. I'm not Tai Lopez, I don't have Lamborghinis or Ferraris. The reason why I'm doing these videos is because I have passion for making videos, I have passion for dancing, and I have passion for business and entrepreneurship. So it all kind of adds up, if you know what I mean. Making videos, entrepreneur, and entertainment videos. So it's called Teenage Entrepreneur Entertainment. Do not take my videos seriously because I'm just here to make fun of myself, and I'm actually doing this just for fun. And if I can actually start this up as a side hustle and make a little bit of money, I'll be okay with that. But that's not really my concern because I've always liked making videos. So before I move on further into this video, I just want to say that I'm only 19 years old and mistakes are always made by humans. And I hope that every time I make a mistake, you guys just won't flame me in the comments so that I will not consider suiciding. I'm kidding, that's a suicidal joke, but I'm nowhere close to suiciding. It's just a joke, okay? Get it? It's just a joke. So you must be wondering what I'm planning to do with this channel in the future. The contents that I'm planning to do on this channel in the future is something related to entrepreneurship, which is already written in my banner, obviously. But let's talk about the details of the contents that I'll be doing in the future. First things first, I would actually put out more of social media experiments type of contents. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's like maybe buying Instagram followers or buying an Instagram account, which actually sounds really strange for some of you out there that have never heard of this before, but it's a whole business out there. So that is actually considered under social media experiment. We would actually be spending some money on some contents and do the stuff that people would not really dare to do. The second thing that I actually aim to do on this channel is that I'll be talking about the basics into investing into stocks. Yeah, I get it. I'm 19 years old and I do not know a lot about investments and stuff like that. I invest into index funds. And for index funds, you don't really need to be an expert to know a lot about that. Am I right? So just let me do what I want, okay? Just let me do what I want. Please. Third thing that I'm planning to do on this channel is flipping opportunities online. If you've actually heard of flipping, you actually earn some money from the margin, the profit margin. The fourth thing that I've actually want to do on this channel is that I would want to talk a little bit about Instagram, or maybe not a little bit, but like the whole Instagram theme page or the whole Instagram business page type of content, because right now it is really trending and a lot of people are actually making a lot of money from these theme pages, and actually I am as well. So I would like to take you guys on a journey with me on this theme page business journey and show you guys how I actually get to monetize my followers and make some side hustle money. So if you guys want to know more about this, do consider subscribing and hit the like button below so that the YouTube algorithm actually helps my video, it promotes it to more people, and I could actually make more of these videos for you guys. And the last thing that I want to actually do on this channel is to give more about my opinions on certain trends or on future business opportunities. Well, yeah, I mean, like, I'm 19 years old and I don't know much, stuff like that. Yeah, I mean, everyone has haters, right? So can't really be bothered, I guess. So you may be asking, why am I here on YouTube? So I've actually started doing YouTube videos since I was 15, but then I did not get many likes, views and comments or subscribers because the videos were all very cringy, so I actually kind of got demotivated. I know what are you guys thinking. You guys are planning to actually go to my channel and actually find out those cringy videos and actually roast me for those. So don't bother watching those old videos already because I really don't want to get cyberbullied. I'm a softie. But hey, now I'm back on YouTube and I'm planning to give myself 6 months of consistency and hard work and see where it goes. So hopefully you guys can actually be with me on this journey of 6 months and let's see how far we can go. Speaking of the 6 months rule, I've actually had this really strong belief in this 6 months rule, and it's because that it teaches you how to be consistent and worry about the value over the results that you're getting. So let me explain a little bit about this 6 months rule. So the 6 months rule is actually something about working hard for 6 months and not focusing on the results and just keep on working hard. So whenever you are starting something new that you're uncomfortable with doing, just set a date and set an ending date at the end of the 6th month. And while you're in that period, just keep working hard and do not ever look at the results because that would get you demotivated. So just sit back, relax, do the work and stop telling everyone what you're doing. Just you and your goals. You and your goals. So one of the reasons why I firmly believe in this 6 months rule is because that whenever someone has a big goal, they gotta break it down to a smaller goal and they gotta break it down to a daily goal. So let's say if you want to grow 1,000 followers on Instagram by the end of this month, that would actually mean you gotta grow 33.33333333 followers every single day. 1,000 followers in a month doesn't seem like it's possible, but once you break it down to a smaller goal, which is 33 followers a day, it seems a lot more possible all of a sudden. So when you're finished with the 6 months progress, you should just stop right there, take a break, and just look back at the progress that you've made. And by the time you look back, you would have been surprised of how far you've made it. Thank me later for that, but do try it out because the best time to start is today. So this is also my own advice. I hope I myself would actually continue being consistent, producing quality contents for actually 6 months. So this is basically just an introduction for my video, and this is first video from my channel. Hope you guys actually have made it this far, and if you guys didn't, maybe you guys missed out something or not, and I suck at YouTube. But if you really made it this far, do consider subscribing for more future content. I'll definitely be putting in the work to produce more valuable contents for you guys. Once again, to those people who've made it this far, good morning or good night. Have a good day to the people who smashed the like button and subscribed. And for the rest, do consider subscribe or I'll delete your Minecraft account. And I'll see you in the next video.